This watermelon juice recipe changed my life. A close-up shot of freshly made watermelon juice fills the screen, glistening with droplets of condensation. The vibrant red color and refreshing look are irresistible, promising a burst of summer freshness. Welcome to our video on making the perfect watermelon juice. This easy-to-follow guide will show you how to create a delicious and hydrating beverage that's perfect for any time of day. Watermelon juice isn't just tasty. It's packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and hydration benefits. This refreshing drink helps keep you cool and energized, making it an ideal summer thirst quencher. Before we start, here are the ingredients you'll need: a ripe watermelon, a sharp knife, a blender, optional sweeteners like honey, and optional add-ins like mint or lime. Choosing the right watermelon is crucial for the best juice. Look for a watermelon with a uniform shape, a creamy yellow spot, and a deep hollow sound when tapped. Start by placing the watermelon on a sturdy cutting board. Using a sharp knife, slice off both ends. Stand it upright and cut down the middle to create manageable halves. After halving, lay the watermelon flat side down. Slice it into thick wedges, then into smaller cubes. This method ensures uniform pieces, making blending easier and quicker. Place the watermelon cubes into a blender. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth and free of chunks. A high-speed blender works best for achieving the ideal consistency. For added sweetness, consider natural sweeteners like honey or agave syrup. Start with a small amount, blending and tasting as you go, ensuring the sweetness suits your preference. Straining the juice ensures a smooth, pulp-free drink. Use a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to achieve the best results. This step is optional but recommended for a silky texture. Proper chilling enhances watermelon juice's refreshing quality. Place the juice in the refrigerator for a few hours. For a quicker chill, add ice cubes directly to your serving glass. Serve the juice creatively with garnishes like mint leaves, lime wedges, or watermelon slices. These additions not only enhance the presentation, but also add a burst of extra flavor. Watermelon juice is packed with vitamins A and C, antioxidants, and hydration benefits. It supports skin health, boosts immunity, and helps maintain hydration, making it a perfect summertime beverage. Store leftover juice in an airtight container in the fridge. It stays fresh for up to 3 days. Shake well before serving to mix any settled pulp or juice separation. Common mistakes include not chilling the watermelon beforehand, which can affect the juice's freshness, and blending for too long, which may result in a frothy texture that's less appealing. Live taste tests are essential. Savor the juice, noting its refreshing, natural sweetness and smooth texture. Your enthusiasm will inspire viewers to try making their own watermelon juice. Engage your audience by asking them to share their unique watermelon juice recipes or tips in the comments. This encourages community interaction and provides additional ideas for everyone. Encourage viewers to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more delicious recipes. Their engagement helps grow the channel and brings exciting new content to everyone. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.